The defense has begun to present its case in the federal ComEd bribery trial, and a former CEO of the utility giant will take the stand later this week. WGN's Julian Cruz has more now from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Good evening. One of the four co-defendants surprising the courtroom this morning, Ann Pramaggiore, the former CEO for ComEd, announcing that she will testify. She will take the stand in her own defense, perhaps as early as tomorrow, during this closely watched political corruption trial. The 64-year-old Pramaggiore, together with her defense attorney, taking the highly risky legal decision to testify at Chicago's federal courthouse. Taking the stand exposes a criminal defendant to cross-examination. Federal prosecutors likely to vigorously probe Pramaggiore about her alleged role in a complicated bribery scheme. She, along with three co-defendants, accused of funneling $1.3 million to contractors with ties to then Speaker of the Illinois House, Michael Madigan. Investigators say that contractors did little to no work, all in a bid to win backing from the politically powerful Speaker. The defendants hoping to steer their legislative agenda through the General Assembly. The alleged scheme, according to investigators, operating from 2011 to 2019. Now, you may remember back in 2020, ComEd formally admitting to the scheme, agreeing to pay a $200 million fine. But the defendants' lawyers arguing that their clients were simply engaging in a constitutionally protected activity, the practice of persuasion, otherwise known as legislative lobbying. Defense witness, Illinois Appellate Court Judge David Ellis, casting doubt on the government's case and the notion Madigan and ComEd were working hand in glove on the alleged bribery scheme. How did the Speaker feel about ComEd? Attorney Dan Craig asked Ellis. He felt betrayed by ComEd, he responds. Madigan felt he'd been tricked. Did you ever hear Mike Madigan complain that ComEd wasn't making the hires he recommended? No, replies Judge Ellis. The former Speaker not on trial during this proceeding. You may recall he was indicted back in 2020 on political corruption charges. Michael Madigan expected to go to trial in 2024. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.